Is your home experiencing water intrusion? Even if it's your crawl space or basement, these issues can lead to much bigger problems such as mold or rotted wood. And so maybe you're thinking about having your crawl space or your basement encapsulated, but you're not sure how long it's going to take to encapsulate your basement or crawl space. In this video, we're going to tackle exactly how long to expect to be able to encapsulate your crawl space or your basement. Hi, I'm Nolan, the sales director here at Acculevel. In today's video, we're going to talk about exactly how long it takes to encapsulate your basement and crawl space. We're going to also touch on exactly what goes into the process of encapsulating your basement and crawl space. So when we go into encapsulating a basement or crawl space, the first question you may be asking is, what is encapsulation? What's the material we use? What's that look like? And so the material that Acculevel uses, we use a 16 mil solid virgin plastic. And so what this means is it's interwoven a lot like maybe a basket's interwoven. And this makes it extremely durable and extremely strong, so that we're able to give a 25-year wear and tear warranty on it to be sure that this will not break down, tear apart, and always do its job at least for that 25 years and preventing that moisture from coming up into your crawl space or your basement. Now, with that being said, the next question is like, how long does this take? And that depends largely on the size of your crawl space or your basement. The average encapsulation job that we're doing with crawl spaces is going to take somewhere between 2 and 3 days. Now, the reason that that is the case is because there's a lot more that goes into encapsulation than just putting plastic down and up the walls. Besides that is with encapsulation, especially in a crawl space or in a basement, you have to have a water drainage system in place as well. This is really important because in the crawl space, if you don't, what you create is essentially a water bed underneath your encapsulation plastic. And so that you're gonna have the standing water. And that's eventually gonna start breaking down your seams and your seals to make it to where that encapsulation is not effective. And so it's really important that you have drainage. The other things that go into this encapsulation is now you're looking at spray foaming and sealing up the crawl space around the top band board. And then you're talking about a dehumidifier, sump pump, to make sure that you have a complete home solution with this encapsulation. And that encapsulation is not just going in to cover something up or get by. It's really important when you're investing this into your home that you make sure it's done the right way that's going to last a long time. And so that's what more goes into encapsulating your crawl space, and the time that it takes more than anything is not just the encapsulation, but it's the things around the encapsulation to be sure that it's good and effective long term. Same thing applies for the basement side, right? Is if we put encapsulation up your basement walls, we seal that off, but there's no drainage at the bottom. Any moisture that captures there is going to just drain out the bottom onto your floor, which is obviously not what you want for your home. And so with that, we have to have the drainage system as well, so that we can be sure that we direct any of that moisture that encapsulation is capturing up on your wall. We direct that down to your drainage system with a sump pit and get that moisture out of the house. This encapsulation is going to go like in a crawl space all the way up your walls in the crawl space. It's going to wrap any columns that you have holding the steel beams. It's going to get attached by nails at the top, but as well as that's going to get caulked. And so you've got a really good seal at the top of that, all the way around on every column, to truly create a controlled atmosphere, whether that's in your basement or crawl space. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you now know what the process of encapsulation looks like and about how long it takes for us to do this type of work. Do you have more questions about encapsulation? If so, be sure to leave those in the comment section below. If you want to learn more about encapsulation, check the description below. That'll take you to a link to some more articles that you can dive a little bit deeper into the encapsulation process and the material. Also, we notice about 99% of our viewers are not subscribed or liking our videos. So please, if you could take some time to like and subscribe to this video, we would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.